First ride, Valraven, we filled the whole row. We got a bunch of friends with us, Alex, that's Execution Man on Twitter. And then, of course, we're with Scott, CP Coaster Lover. We're going to get some Blue Streak ride time in right now. It's going to be a good time. Thank you, rides, no trim shirts on. Let's go, guys. We're on the Blue Streak platform. Say what's up. What's up? How's it going, guys? You guys ready? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Good old time riding Blue Streak today, ERT. Gotta love it. Look at the fast lane has a line today, but we didn't. Woohoo! We are in line to get our poster and other collection stuff from the Coastermania event. We've done ERT rides on Valraven and Blue Streak so far, and that is our day to this point. It's been beautiful out here. Park is pretty dead. Rides are open. Things are running. Great day. We got our guy Tony Clark out here handing out stuff. Heading back out to the car with our posters. What'd you get there?
I got a Coastermania poster.
It's a pretty sweet poster you got there. We got some nice Coastermania posters. Woo-hoo! Well, we've gotten plenty of rides now, but on our itinerary, we got Magnum infield photo op coming up here around 1 o'clock. It's about an hour away, so we're probably gonna go ride Millie, hang out at the barnyard for a little bit. You guys can see how Churro's doing. And then, yeah, we'll get to the photo ops and the boat ride coming up there, too. That'll be fun. We got, I think, 3 o'clock boat ride?
3:30.
3:30 boat ride. So, yeah, those are what's on our docket for now. And, of course, a couple coasters in between because you got to ride coasters. Wouldn't be the Frontier Trail without a pony out here. Hi, pony. Got some cool new signage back here. Covered up Adventure Island with the new Frontier Fling sign. Looks good.
Watch out.
Hi, Duke. I understand, Duke. Hey, bud. Looking good today.
Hey. You were
This one's just chilling.
Didn't you?
What's up, Churro? Showing off?
Be careful of the other baby. Yeah, baby.
Oh.
Oh, tuckered out.
We'll say they have decked it out for the Frontier Festival. As you can see, they got some cool displays all over. They got the sunflowers on posts everywhere, the flags everywhere. Really, it just looks great everywhere in here. They've done a fantastic job over here.
You guys ready to ride?
Woo!
If you guys are ready to ride, you guys say tuna. Tuna. Carlos brings a tuna sandwich every single day
And
for lunch.
Scott. We're racing. We're gonna
So
beat
if you
him.
guys
We're
love
gonna beat
tuna.
him. Update. We lost. Scott won. Right side won. We went blue side. That side. Dippin' Dots. Dippin' Dots. Yeah, it should be a good time. Good time, everybody.
That's big.
Going?
Oh, I love it. It's relaxing. I can't wait to go
Fantastic.
see the other side now.
Guys, look at the park out there. Woo! Yeah, so we're on the good time boat. This is part of the Coastermania itinerary. It's honestly a nice little break in the middle of the day. I'm glad ours was later on in the day because we got a lot of rides in earlier. We snacked a little bit. Now we're going to do the boat ride. We'll probably go ride Gatekeeper and Maxair after and hit the dinner because it's like perfect timing. We're getting back around 4:30, heading over there. Dinner starts at 5:30, so we'll get some rides in and that'll be what we're up to for a little bit. We got the Q&A session coming up, so stay tuned for that too. How about back here for a wooden coaster, guys? Just gonna do all that.
Picture perfect. It's picture perfect.
Pulling up on a boat to the amusement park. It's gotta be what like Boblo Island was like, huh? Something similar? Kinda similar? Pulling up on a boat to go ride coasters. I'm just saying, Boblo. The marina store. Got some cool little neat stuff. Ooh, I like the hat. Fuck it. Yeah, they got a nifty little, they got some Sperry's over there, hoodies and stuff. Like a little mini grocery outlet. Pretty cool. Over here on the marina out here. Maximum air incoming. Now going on Gatekeeper. Still with the squad, my mom and Scott. Coastermania has been fantastic today so far. The weather's beautiful. Ooh. Why are there so many mayflies here? It's June 1st.
Because they're babies
Oh.
still.
Nope, I'm sorry. It's June 2nd. Bad joke. We tried. It is that time of day. Get our food. I'm excited.
Q&A.
Yeah, Q&A coming up here after we eat dinner. It's gonna be a good time. I'm gonna try to ask Tony some dragster questions, guys, but we all know they're not gonna answer them. So we are at the Lakeside Pavilion getting ready for our Coastermania dinner. There's a lot of people out here. Whole pavilion's down there, but it smells good. All right, so we just had Q&A session. Tony Clark did a phenomenal job hosting that. I'll give him his credit where credit's due. It was awesome. Snoopy was in there.
Yay!
We got some dragster information. So we got these cool little keychains as we walked in, right?
Yes.
And we were all going kind of nuts like, oh, what is this? Everyone online is like, oh, it's dragster stuff, right? And we're sitting there going, what could this possibly mean, right? They're not going to rebrand, redo the CP logo, all this other stuff. So we're sitting here, what is it? Tony goes, you guys might want to keep your hand on that. You're going to need it come May 2024 for the opening of that big thing over there. So we're predicting like maybe some access to it, maybe a free photo for the first ride. I don't know. There's a million things it could be. Media day or ride passes.
We got the keys to the new Dragster Polaris.
Exactly. And nighttime is upon us at Cedar Point. Sky ride time.
Here comes Raptor.
Dragster hasn't opened yet. I wonder when we're gonna get ERT on it. How was the power tower?
Awesome.
We did the drop side and the launch side too. It was your first ride. How was it?
Oh, it was great.
He's gonna take a little more time, but we gotta get him to Kings Island and get him on that one. That one's a fun one.
Yeah.
I love drop towers, but they still freak me out. There's something about them. That and Skyhawk, guys. What freaks you guys out? Let me know. You know what time it is. Kitty credit time for ERT. Woohoo! We are getting kitty credits. I haven't rode Junior Gemini since I was just a junior Gemini. Alright, so we got our kitty credits in. How were they?
Great, yeah.
Junior Gemini is like a 10 out of 10 for me. Wilderness Run, oh wait, I'm getting them confused now. Woodstock Express and Wilderness Run. Either way, they were both great. I want my photo, but the photo booth's closed, so we're not getting our photo. Time to go race on Gemini though. Woo! Who's older, Mom? You or Gemini?
Gemini.
Gemini's older than my mother, guys.
Not by much.
I think she's lying. I don't know though. I can't confirm.
This is the
It's gonna be a busy night.
ride of the
We ain't got nobody here anymore. We had a little bit in the first half hour.
I think the best thing about Coastermania here is just the empty midways. We just rode Gemini with like 6 people. This is phenomenal. Phenomenal.
phenomenal.
Wonderful. Hey guys, what do you think they're doing with Dragster? You know, since that's the big tease at the Q&A tonight. What's going on with Dragster? You let us know. Time for the best ERT of the night. Magnum. Oh, it's just me, my mother, and Scott riding. 3 people on the Magnum train. Let's go. Heading back for Steel Vengeance and Maverick ERT now. We just got a Magnum trimless ride. Fantastic. And it's sending the last train up right now. Woo! This is insane. There's nobody in here. Except us. That was a great night at Coastermania. What was your guys' favorite part?
No trims.
No trims on Steel Vengeance, no trims on Magnum. That was probably my best ride ever on Magnum. And I sat in the front row. I'm not a front row rider. Honestly, the boat ride was awesome. The food was good. Coastermania is a 10 out of 10 for me. I think we got to come next year. What do you think, Mom?
Oh, definitely.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah, we're all going to have to hang out next year at this because this was a great event. Coastermania, 10 out of 10. Ops were doing great. All the people who stuck around for the ERT, you guys are phenomenal. You're what makes the parks amazing for us to always come to and have a great night like this. So appreciate all you ride ops out there if you're watching. You guys make this possible for all of us, so thank you. Alright guys, we're here, the park's empty, and we're gonna go ahead and get some Dragster views now. We got a Cedar Point truck, and we're about to go see what's going on with the Dragster stuff. Since nobody's here, guys, we got an empty park, so just stay tuned. We're gonna get you all the Dragster scoop right now. That's a wrap from Coastermania.
Woo woo!
Coaster stock, whatever, Coastermania, it's all the same event at different parks, to be honest with you. But
we get special stuff.
We got empty parking lot. We had a great time, honestly.
My loan car.
Yeah, I know. How did you feel about Coastermania?
I had a blast. It was definitely.
This is one of those things
best
that made
times
me kind of upset that I missed Coaster stock because
Yeah.
this event was perfect. Cedar Point ops were on point. Everything was perfect today.
And
I got nothing else to say. Phenomenal night.
and we got trimless rides.
Trimless
on
rides.
Magnum and Steel Vengeance.
Hey,
Woo.
hit that subscribe button. Like this video. Comment if you've ever been to this. Tell me all your favorite things about the park. And again, what scares you guys the most at the parks? Because I still think Power Tower and Skyhawk are the scariest ones, you know, scariest types of rides. So let us know. This is us from Ghoster Coasters.
Good night.
Woo!